Hi there, welcome to another Lexical Lab 1-minute English video. If you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe to our channel and also check out our websites to find out more about the courses we do at lexicallab.com. Now, I have a friend who is really into politics and loves social media. And I think that can be a dangerous combination, especially if you're talking to him and, like me, you're not aware of the latest video doing the rounds or the latest scandal or Twitter storm. And so as you talk, you, at the merest mention of a politician's name or perhaps the word news, will inadvertently set off your friend on a rant. He goes off on one. So when you go off on one, basically you start suddenly talking and talking and talking about a subject, often complaining or a bit angry, sometimes ranting about it. And the other person, me, has to just nod and listen. Sometimes it's difficult to get a word in edgeways. You try and say something, yeah, but you can't because the other person is going off on one and they're going on and on about the topic. It doesn't have to be angry. I remember at work, my boss, sometimes you would mention about talking about sales, and he would go off on one telling you about how it's best to do the sales, how he did it in the past, the success he had, quite often repeating the same story that you'd heard before. And you just have to go, yeah, right, yeah, yeah. So, if you've liked this video, please share it, and why don't you use it in class to teach your students more about language. See you again for another 1-minute video in the future.